Hi, it's Aidan here at Blackpool SEAT, showing you around the set Arona that we have in stock. This is the Experience model in a relatively new colour, which is dark camouflage. As you can see, it's like a greeny grey colour, absolutely lovely, especially in the sun. You've got your SEAT lighting, daytime running lights on this car. Got some lovely silver alloys. So this car is currently a demonstrator. It's driven by one of our salesmen. Got a white roof on this model, as you can see. So this is the Experience model. It's got quite a bit of extra tech inside. Talk more about that when we look at the car. It's available here at Blackpool SEAT. We're part of the Cox Motor Group, privately owned, family run group of dealerships. You'll find other dealerships in areas such as Kendal, Lancaster, Southport, Blackpool of course, and Wigan. So at the Blackpool site you've got Blackpool SEAT of course. Next door to us you've got Blackpool Auto Mart. They sell a variety of brands of cars. A few other part exchanges coming from there. Next door to them you've got Honda bikes. And over in the distance you've got Blackpool Honda, which is our flagship dealership. Over in the distance you've got the paint and body clinic as well as the in-house workshop. So as I said, this is a current demonstrator, so it will go under a used car deal. Comes with at least 9 months. Comes with at least 9 months MOT and at least 9 months service. However, that doesn't really apply to this car being a 71 plate. If you're looking for a new car and you can't get your hands on one at the moment, this is the next best thing for you. It's done very little miles, and I'll show you that when we get inside the car. So let's get into the car. I'll show you the boot first. You've got plenty of room in the boot. You've got your parcel shelf for extra luggage privacy, and it is a double level boot as well. You can fold it so it goes a bit deeper, gives you a bit more extra room. Also, the seats fold in a 60-40 split, giving you plenty of extra room. So with this being the Experience model, you do get some fancy textured cloth interior. Got your ISOFIX mounting point in the rear seats for any child seats, and you do have plenty of room for any rear passengers that you might have. So as I said, it is a current demonstrator. It's on very low miles. I'll show you it now. So this car is only on 1,255 miles. That will go up as it is still in daily use. However, as soon as one of you want to buy it, that's it. Comes off the road, salesman gets a different car, and it's yours. So I'll talk you through the interior first. So you've got a 6-speed manual with this car. You've got child lock, auto stop start down the left hand side of the gear stick. It's a push button start this car. There's your push button start. And I'm about to show you when we get onto the infotainment system. But these new Aronas come with wireless phone charging and wireless Apple CarPlay with wireless full link. USB-C ports for any power outlets. Yeah, as I said, wireless full link, as you can see. Currently recording on my phone. Only thing connected to my phone is my headphones. However, I've got full access to my iPhone. Wireless Apple CarPlay, it's an excellent feature to have. I've been in this car, I've driven it a couple of times up to our other dealerships. It's an excellent feature to have, no wires involved. So you've got dual zone climate control, got all your different radio and media sources as well. Got all your different radio and media sources as well. Click these 3 dashes here, brings you to your main menu. You can change and customise what's displayed here as well. So as you can see, I've got my Apple CarPlay, got my radio, and I've got my satellite navigation, all displayed clearly. Yeah, that's the infotainment system. Onto the speedometer. As I told you before, it's on 1,255 miles. You've got your cruise control located, and your media buttons located on the left hand side of the steering wheel. And on the right hand side, you've got the buttons that control the trip computer located in between the speedometer. Personal preference, what people have displayed here. Most people like to display their driving data, see what range they have, digitally display your speed. Yeah, you've also got a couple of media buttons down here as well to change tracks or change radio stations, as well as your Bluetooth button just on the right hand side of the steering wheel. Down to the right hand side, you do have your light dial. And on the driver's door card, you've got electrically adjustable mirrors, your electrical windows, and as you can see, you've got this nice cloth texture on the door cards that match the seats. Yeah, that's the interior. So that is the car, it's available now. If you'd like to know any more information about this car, contact the sales team on 01253 600 980. We hope to hear from you soon. So onto the speedometer. As you can see, this car's on 27,995 miles. Quite low mileage for a 67 plate. Been very well looked after by its previous owner. Onto the steering wheel. You've got your media buttons located on the left hand side of the steering wheel. And on the right hand side, you've got the buttons to control the trip computer located in between the speedometer. Personal preference, what you have displayed here. Most people decide to display the driving data, show them what speed they're doing digitally, as well as what range they have. And of course, on the Cupras, get a couple of Cupra logos dotted in and around the car. One on the steering wheel, one on the gear stick, which you probably saw earlier. Down to the right of the steering wheel, you've got your lights dial. And on the driver's door card, you've got electrically adjustable mirrors, your electrical windows, and your child lock located on the driver's door handle. So that's the interior. One last look at the paintwork of the car. Like I said, this car is in immaculate condition.